Hi, I'm Maggie, your LUNA Astrology Ambassador. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use LUNA to view more than 2 charts at a time. Some users have asked if LUNA can cast tri-wheels and even quad wheels. While those features are definitely in the works for the future, here's a great workaround so you can use it right now. Let's say you want to view a tri-wheel that includes a natal chart, a secondary progress chart, and a chart of the current transits. So first, we are going to create a bi-wheel of the natal chart and the secondary progressions. We have a video on these types of auxiliary charts, so you can check that out if you're unfamiliar with making secondary progressions. It's pretty easy. You're going to come over to this chart menu panel and just click secondary progressions. Once you click that, the progressed chart is generated, and we're gonna still within the chart menu panel, we're going to click natal bi-wheel. And so it generates a bi-wheel with the natal chart of the individual in the middle and then the progressions around the perimeter. Once we get that set up, we will open the transit chart in a new browser window. So here's how to do it. Come up to the very top, and we are going to right-click on transits and then select Open Link in New Window. Make sure it's New Window, not just a new tab. This part is important. So now that both charts are open, in separate windows, we're going to resize them so we can look at them side by side. Sometimes my computer gets a little bit goofy with that. There we go. And now you can view all 3 charts at once. So I can look over here, see that the sun is at 11 degrees Sagittarius, and then locate that on this bi-wheel over here. And just kind of go through, and you can obviously look at whatever you're looking for and see how that relates to the natal chart and the progressed chart. While LUNA doesn't currently calculate aspects between all 3 charts at once, this method gives you a visual overview of multiple layers of timing and planetary activity. Want to take it a step further? On the transit chart, go back to chart profiles and select the same natal chart that we have. Okay, I used Princess Diana, Princess of Wales. So I've got that chart up on that second window that we opened, the transits window, and I'm going to select transit bi-wheel. With both windows open, you can see on this side, which was the initial side, the natal chart in the middle and the progressions around the perimeter. And now over here, we have the natal chart in the middle and the transits around the perimeter. Since the uniwheel natal chart is the same in both, it's usually just a little bit easier to visually compare and spot repeating patterns and themes, key activations, especially once you feel for the aspects by eye. And remember, since LUNA is a web application, you're not limited to just 1 or 2 charts. You can open as many windows as you would like. You can view different charts on different screens, and you can even use multiple devices at once to layer your interpretations. I hope this tip makes your astrological workflow more flexible and insightful. Be sure to like or subscribe so you can follow along with all LUNA tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.